easy. For the remaining holes, I'll use the gauge on the tool to line up where the pockets will be cut. Those marks were also misplaced. The downcut bit leaves a nice clean cut on the top surface. Using the auto tool changer, I'll drop that off and pick up the force, and I'm using the 55227 adjustable depth Milmar countersink bit. So I got that adjusted really low here, that way we can... So really all we need to do is put these back together, do a little sanding on the outside, and these will be ready for finish.
Have you talked to him since you guys went out?
No, I absolutely did not talk to him. I don't want to talk to him.
Alicia, I'm on your side here. I know you don't think I am, but I am on your side.
I don't for 1 second. But thanks.
No, I am, Alicia. I am on your side. If you feel like we wronged you and made you look bad,
So basically all of these need to be hammered in,